Hi everybody, welcome to our demo series. This is Joe with Scalar Labs. Today we will show you our Scalar Excel add-on and how our customers can easily access multiple databases and manipulate data from databases residing under ScalarDB while maintaining consistency across all datasets. So here we go. So we log in first, admin, hopefully with a more secure password. After logging on, so now that we're logged in, we see a enter namespace field and we connect to a namespace. Now once connected to a namespace, we see all the tables connected to that namespace. Now select a table from the list. Click on the Select Table Name button. Now that we're connected to the table, we see the data populate the spreadsheet. We can perform operations or queries on the table data. Now on the right-hand side, you can see tabs for scan, scan by index, joins, and updates. Click on the Scan tab, and now you can see partition key, cluster key, and we can also set data limits. For now, we'll just enter the limit and keep the PT and CK fields empty. So we set the limit to 18 rows, now we see 18 rows. Now we select a value under Audit Set ID and click on the right panel and we see the PT fields now populated with that value. Now click on Refresh and now select the clustering key and we now see that populated. We see that one row returned. Now we click on the Scan by Index tab. Here we select the item type and we enter the value folder, and now we see folder related data. And now we enter File under the item type. And now the data will be displayed based on the index. We now see all the data returned according to our criteria. Now let's do some joins. Click on the Joins tab. We need to select two tables first. We select two different tables, and then select the join column for the first table, and the corresponding join column for the second table will be automatically displayed. Choose the join type according to the table structure, and a filter can be applied afterwards. When you click on the Submit button, the data will be displayed accordingly. And the data now is displayed using an inner join. Now let's go and apply some filters. We select the equal to operator, and we'll choose a specific user ID and click Submit again. And data will be displayed now according to the user ID filter we just assigned. We can also select multiple filters, and now we filter also by item type. Once we click on Submit, data that meets the criteria of the filters will be displayed. Now let's do something else. Now we're going to click the back button and select a new table. And now let's go to the Update tab. Here we can insert, update, or delete data from a table. Just to make it easy, we copy the row above and paste it below. Notice in the drop-down menu we have Insert, Update, and Delete. For now, I'll just show you how to do the insert. In this example, we're entering new customer information, starting with the email address and then the name. And we could see the status of the records on the page, records to insert, updated, with one insert. Now to commit the update, we click on Process. So how easy is that? So similarly, we can update or delete records within the sheet as well. The Scalar Excel add-on simplifies data operations across multiple databases under ScalarDB. The ScalarDB Excel add-on not only helps simplify data operations, but it gives power to those individuals who aren't database experts to be able to manipulate data under ScalarDB. Now whether it's AI vector data stores, relational databases, NoSQL databases, or data lakes. Thank you for joining us today. Check out our other videos and please hit subscribe.